Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing and also reviewing those glass shears, and we're gonna see them in action. So this shears come in a really nice package. I like that they are safely packed like this. They also come with a nice looking set of gloves. Really beautiful design with the bee on it. And the material is really soft to touch and really nice and feel. And let's just remove this and see how it works. Just remove the protective cover. As you can see, they also came pre-oiled, which is a very good sign. These gloves are also good. I really like the way they feel and how they fit. I'm going to definitely be using them while gardening. At the bottom, there's a safety mechanism. So you just have to hold it like this and then slide it down. I'll try to do this with one hand. Let's hope it works. And yep, it does. Now there's the shears. They're really comfortable. So let's see them in action. So I'm just gonna show you how well they can cut. As you can see, it's really easy, effortless. Yep, I'm really impressed and I highly recommend it.